Is your Jaguar F-PACE key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a software glitch. First, replace the battery. It's usually a CR2032. Pry open the fob, swap the battery with the positive side up, and snap it shut. If that doesn't work, try a smart key reset. Lock all doors, insert the key into the ignition, turn to the on position without starting the engine, and press and hold the lock-unlock buttons on the fob for 10 seconds until the lights flash, then turn the ignition off. This often resolves synchronization problems. Remember, 70% of key fob issues are solved with a battery swap and another 20% with a reset. If a battery replacement and reset don't solve the problem, the issue might be with the car's antenna that detects the fob. Check for any obstructions, corrosion, or wiring damage around the door handles or bumper where the antennas are located. Antenna repairs are best left to professionals as they integrate with the vehicle's BCM. Looking ahead, Jaguar is moving towards digital and smartphone keys, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Smartphone app-based keys are already available for newer F-PACE models, and biometric integration is expected in the future. By 2030, traditional fobs could become obsolete, replaced by app-controlled access, improving reliability and reducing repair needs.